What if I told you that right now, growing in gardens, greenhouses, and farms all over the world, there are plants quietly making their owners filthy rich? Not stocks, not crypto, not some get-rich-quick scheme, just plants. Living, growing, money-making plants. Today, I'm breaking down the 20 most profitable plants you can grow. Plants that have turned ordinary farmers, backyard growers, and hobbyists into 6- and 7-figure earners. Whether you have a massive farm, a small plot of land, a greenhouse, or even just a few pots on your balcony, there is a plant on this list for you. Stick with me, because number 17 on the list will blow your mind away. I'm going to cover what each plant is, why it makes money, how much you can realistically earn, and exactly how to get started. Let's get into it. We're starting with the plants that sit at the very top of the food chain, the ones that chefs, gourmet restaurants, and high-end retailers are desperate to get their hands on. These are specialty crops, and the margins are extraordinary. Plant 1. Saffron. Saffron is the most expensive spice on the planet. We're talking $5,000 to $10,000 per pound. Why? Because each flower only produces 3 tiny red stigmas, and those must be hand-harvested. It takes roughly 75,000 flowers to produce just 1 pound of saffron. But here's the kicker. You can grow saffron in raised beds, pots, or greenhouses. A quarter-acre plot can realistically produce 3 to 5 pounds of dried saffron per season. That's potentially $15,000 to $50,000 from a single quarter acre. Top tip: sell directly to restaurants or online and you'll earn far more than selling wholesale. Plant 2. Ginseng. Ginseng is called green gold by growers in the know. Mature roots, which take 5 to 10 years to fully develop, can sell for $300 to $600 per pound on the wholesale market, and significantly more for wild simulated or certified organic roots. The patience pays off. 1 acre of mature ginseng can yield $100,000 or more at harvest. Many growers start small, sell seeds and rootlets in the early years for cash flow, and then cash in big on the mature roots later. Plant 3. Truffles, or truffle trees. Technically, truffles are fungi, but they grow symbiotically on the roots of trees like oak and hazel, so growers plant inoculated trees and harvest the truffles from the soil around them. Black Perigord truffles sell for $800 to $1,500 per pound. White truffles can exceed $3,000 per pound at peak season. A mature truffle orchard, once established after 5 to 7 years, can generate staggering income. Some North American and Australian truffle farms are reporting $50,000 to $150,000 per acre annually. Top tip: sell directly to restaurants or online and you'll earn far more than selling wholesale. Plant 5. Bamboo. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on Earth. Some species grow up to 35 inches in a single day. It's in massive demand for landscaping, construction, furniture, and privacy screens. Here's what most people don't know. A single bamboo plant propagated into potted divisions can sell for $30 to $150 per pot at garden centers and nurseries. An established bamboo nursery with just a half-acre can generate $30,000 to $60,000 per year in potted plant sales. Segment 2. High-demand herbs and medicinal plants. The wellness industry is worth over $4 trillion globally, and a huge part of that is driven by demand for medicinal herbs and specialty culinary plants. These crops are in short supply and high demand. Plant 6. Gourmet mushrooms, specialty fungi. Gourmet mushrooms like oyster, lion's mane, shiitake, and king trumpet are exploding in popularity. They grow fast. Some varieties can be harvested in as little as 2 weeks, and they sell for $8 to $20 per pound at farmers markets and restaurants. The best part? You can grow them indoors in a small space. A 10 by 10 foot growing room running multiple cycles per month can realistically generate $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Plant 7. Moringa. Called the miracle tree, moringa is one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. Every part is edible and sellable: leaves, pods, seeds, and oil. The dried leaf powder alone sells for $15 to $30 per pound and is in constant demand by supplement companies, health food stores, and online shoppers. Moringa grows incredibly fast in warm climates, and a half-acre farm can yield multiple harvests per year, generating $20,000 to $40,000 annually. Plant 8. Stevia. As the world shifts away from sugar, stevia, a natural zero-calorie sweetener, is in white-hot demand. Dried stevia leaf sells for $20 to $30 per pound, and highly refined stevia extract commands much higher prices. Stevia grows well in warm regions and containers. It's a recurring cash crop that you can harvest multiple times per season. Plant 9. Echinacea. Echinacea is one of the best-selling herbal supplements in the world, used for immune support. The roots, seeds, and dried flowers all have commercial value. Roots can sell for $20 to $40 per pound dried, and there's a consistent year-round demand from supplement manufacturers and herbal apothecaries. Plant 10. Elderberry. Elderberry syrup became one of the hottest wellness products of the past decade. Fresh elderberries sell for $3 to $8 per pound, while value-added products like syrup, tinctures, and gummies multiply that revenue dramatically. A small half-acre planting of elderberry bushes can produce hundreds of pounds of fruit annually, and mature bushes require very little maintenance. Many small-scale elderberry farmers are doing $20,000 to $50,000 per year. Segment 4. Fast-growing cash crops for farmers. Now let's shift to larger-scale crops, plants that reward growers with volume, speed, and consistent market demand. These are ideal for anyone with a bit more land and access to farmers markets, wholesale buyers, or restaurant accounts. Plant 11. Microgreens. Microgreens are tiny seedlings harvested just 7 to 14 days after germination, and they are one of the highest revenue per square foot crops on the planet. They sell for $25 to $50 per pound at farmers markets and restaurants. A single 10-20 tray can produce 8 to 12 ounces of product. With a stacked shelving system, you can run dozens of trays simultaneously in a spare bedroom, basement, or small greenhouse. Many microgreen growers are generating $5,000 to $15,000 per month with very minimal space and startup costs. Plant 12. Garlic. Specialty garlic, especially hardneck varieties like rocambole, purple stripe, and porcelain, sells for $8 to $20 per pound at markets and online. Compared to the $1 to $2 per pound of commodity garlic from big farms, this is a completely different market. Garlic is planted in fall, harvested in summer, stores for months, and the scapes, which are cut in early summer, provide a second revenue stream. A quarter-acre planting can generate $8,000 to $12,000 in a single season. Plant 13. Cut flowers. The cut flower industry in the U.S. alone is worth over $3 billion per year, and the majority of those flowers are imported. Local flower farmers who grow varieties like peonies, dahlias, ranunculus, and lisianthus have a massive competitive advantage: freshness. An acre of specialty cut flowers can generate $25,000 to $50,000 per year, and selling direct through subscriptions, CSA boxes, farmers markets, and florists maximizes margins significantly. Plant 14. Hops. The craft beer explosion has created a massive undersupplied market for locally grown hops. Craft brewers actively seek regional, farm-fresh hops for unique flavor profiles. Hops sell for $3 to $15 per pound fresh, with premium specialty varieties commanding the highest prices. Hops vines grow vertically on trellises, making them suitable for narrow plots. An acre of hops can produce 1,000 to 2,000 pounds at harvest, generating $5,000 to $25,000 per acre year after year once the trees are established. Plant 15. Burdock. Burdock root is a staple in Japanese, Korean, and natural medicine markets, yet very few Western growers cultivate it commercially. It sells for $2 to $5 per pound wholesale and significantly more at specialty stores. A single acre of burdock, harvested annually, can generate $10,000 to $20,000 with minimal inputs once established. Segment 4. Trees and long-term wealth builders. Now we're going to talk about playing the long game. These plants take time, but they build enormous generational wealth. Think of these as your retirement fund planted in the ground. Plant 16, Paulownia, Empress tree. Paulownia is the fastest growing hardwood tree in the world. In ideal conditions, it can reach harvestable size in as little as 5 to 7 years, compared to 30 to 50 years for most hardwoods. Its wood is prized in Asia and increasingly in Western markets for furniture, veneer, musical instruments, and construction. Paulownia lumber can sell for $5 to $15 per board foot, and a plantation acre can yield significant volume. Plant 17, Black walnut. Black walnut is one of the most valuable timber trees in North America. A single mature black walnut tree can be worth $5,000 to $20,000 for its wood alone. The nuts provide income while you wait for the trees to mature. Plant black walnuts today as a long-term asset. They appreciate in value year after year, making them one of the safest investments a landowner can make. Plant 18, vanilla. Vanilla is the second most expensive spice in the world after saffron. Pure vanilla beans sell for $200 to $600 per pound, and real vanilla extract is always in demand for professional bakers, chocolatiers, and food companies. Vanilla grows on climbing orchid vines and requires tropical or greenhouse conditions. It takes 3 to 4 years to begin producing, but once it does, it can produce for decades. Boutique vanilla farms are commanding premium prices from specialty buyers. Plant 19, hazelnut. Global hazelnut demand is skyrocketing, driven by the confectionery industry, health food trends, and the dairy-free milk market. Hazelnuts sell for $1.50 to $3 per pound at wholesale, with premium organic hazelnuts fetching much more. An acre of mature hazelnut trees can yield 2,000 to 5,000 pounds of nuts annually, generating $5,000 to $15,000 per acre year after year once the trees are established. Plant 20, sandalwood. Sandalwood is one of the most prized aromatic woods on the planet. Used in perfumery, cosmetics, incense, and traditional medicine, it commands extraordinary prices. Heartwood and essential oil can sell for $100 to $300 per kilogram or more. Sandalwood takes 15 to 25 years to fully mature, but the return on investment is extraordinary. Australian sandalwood plantations have become highly profitable long-term ventures, and the global supply shortage means prices continue to rise. Okay, so now you've seen the plants. But knowing which plants are profitable is only step one. Here's how people are actually building real wealth from them. Step 1. Choose your niche and match it to your resources. Not everyone has 10 acres. That's fine. Microgreens, saffron, and gourmet mushrooms are ideal for small spaces. If you have land, bamboo, ginseng, and tree crops give you enormous upside. Pick the plant that fits your space, climate, and budget first. Step 2. Know your market before you plant. This is where most beginners go wrong. Before you grow a single seed, identify your buyers. Restaurants, farmers markets, health food stores, online platforms like Etsy and Amazon, and CSA subscriptions are all viable channels. The growers making real money have their buyers lined up before harvest. Step 3. Sell direct whenever possible. Wholesale markets pay a fraction of retail. Every plant we discussed today is more valuable when you sell direct to consumers. A pound of dried lavender that wholesales for $4 can sell for $20 at a farmer's market. A pound of microgreens that earns $6 from a distributor earns $40 at the market. Cut out the middleman. Step 4. Add value. The fastest path to higher margins is processing and packaging. Lavender becomes soap, candles, and sachets. Elderberries become syrup. Garlic becomes braids and seasoning blends. Value-added products can multiply your revenue 3 to 10 times with the same raw materials. Step 5. Stack your crops. The most successful growers don't rely on one plant. They create a portfolio. Fast crops like microgreens and mushrooms for cash flow, mid-term crops like lavender and ginseng for growing income, and long-term crops like black walnut and sandalwood for wealth building. Stack your timeline, stack your income. There you have it. 20 plants that are quietly making people millionaires all over the world. And the best part, This isn't theory. Every single plant on this list has real growers behind it, building real businesses, generating real wealth. The question is, which one is right for you? If you're just getting started, I'd recommend saffron, microgreens, or gourmet mushrooms. Low startup cost, fast returns, and a market that's hungry for product. If you have land and you're thinking long-term, ginseng, bamboo, hazelnut, or lavender could be life-changing investments. And if you want generational wealth, plant black walnut and sandalwood trees today. Your future self will thank you. Here's your homework. Pick one plant from this list. Research the local market for it in your area. Then come back and tell me in the comments which one you chose and why. I read every single comment. If you found value in this video, smash the like button. It seriously helps this channel more than you know. And subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive.